Hello everyone, Anton from Windows Factory here. Today I want to show you the project we completed for our customer. The task that we have been challenged to deal with is a noise. It's a high traffic noise area, as you can see. 10 meters away from us there is a very intensive traffic, and what we did, we installed the uPVC double-glazed window with acoustic glass. You also can see how we dropped the handle height a bit lower for our customer convenience. It's a lockable handle as well for security. If you can lock the handle, it's not opening. This window is a tilt and turn window, which is the best for acoustic performances because it has multiple point locking system. So let me just open it for you, have a look, I'll show you. So this window has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 locking points. I don't know if you can still hear me. You can see the difference it makes, and then instantly quiet. It has a tilt position. As soon as I will install the screen, this aluminum mesh screen will be installed outside. Close it. And it's nice and quiet. Customer is very happy with the result, so I think we did a great job.